Stop. Looks like we're just starting to test fit a few things. So that's my artwork, guys. Made the template for the oil pan. So it's, in order to hit it, we have to hit the transmission. So I think that should be a good level. Better view. So possibly tomorrow we're just gonna start cutting it out, making that metal. And that's the good part. The bracket that holds the axle is all done. Just gotta grind a little bit more right down there, about right here. So when we put the boot on, everything should be fine. But yeah, once that's done, honestly, just start painting up the brackets, making sure they look good.
Yeah, just gonna tack it.
Tack it there?
Yeah. Did you tack the you tack the sides?
I tacked over here.
Okay, cool. Alright then, so I'll just move that in place if I have to.
Yeah, just again you gotta pull it back down a little bit.
Yeah.
You wanna try it first?
Yeah.
So as you saw, he was welding up tacking up the oil pan. We're trying to be in the process of making it right now, so we're just double checking everything. So the turbo is on. He did a really bang up job on this bad boy. So this is more or less how it's gonna be. So I don't know, looks good. I think I might have to go up though. No, it looks a little level. I think it should be good. What's my level? Okay, slightly tilted forward a little bit, but that's good. The pickup is down here, so I want to make sure that when it's flat, all the oil flows back, so I may have to just tilt it up a little bit more so the fluid just kind of has a gradual drain back. But yeah, the sashi sits right below the turbo. Just gotta fix that back. But she coming out well. And just take care of this little angle. Just give you a look. So that's the other side. That's where the pickup tube is. Hopefully you guys can see it. So pickup tube is. We're gonna tilt it down so it's a little bit leveler with the pan. But yeah, so we're gonna level it up and close it, and I think more or less this is what it's gonna look like. So this right here is the bracket we made to hold the axle in place. This is the control arms before and after. Just a little first coat action. So we're back at it again today. Now we're just gonna paint a few parts for a car, make it a little bit decent. So yeah. Nothing too major today. Just took off the VTEC solenoid. Have to get the dizzy, the water next to the front and back. Have to get a new O-ring because this one is all jacked up. But just doing a little small stuff right now to make everything look pretty. And then once all that is over with, oh, let me show you the ball pad. So this is the new pan that we have for it. Still got a few more small touches to clean it up, clean it, and then that should solve that O-ring issue. Clean up the intake manifold and just start putting everything together. Then we can start focusing on the rear end. So most likely I'm gonna start, I'm gonna start cleaning up the control arm so I can start buying the bushes to put those in. So little by little we're making some kind of progress, guys. Oops. Not a professional painter, but it does look good. It's a lot better than how it was a few minutes ago, so can't be mad about that. We're gonna speed everything up a little bit. This bad boy off. Crap, where'd it go? Ah, come on. There you go. Whew. So, yeah, looks a little bit better in this guy, like I said. Get that spot. Well, that was dumb. So today was kind of productive. Starting to mount back the wires, the hoses and everything. I'm just waiting on the O-ring for this right here. Then I can put that back on and then start assembling everything. The starter, they have in stock at the store, so that's not that big a deal. And the intake is mounted finally. Let me see what else I could see. So all the lines are plumbed into the sandwich adapter. I have the fluids for the transmission. We're finishing the pan. Yeah, trying to figure out what to do about the alternator. I might have to switch to a B series one, but let's see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't overheat. And this is the old janky harness. Yeah, I know, it looks like crap. I'm gonna run this first, make sure it runs. And once everything is good on the car, then I have an aftermarket one I'll switch over. So yeah, that shouldn't take really that long to do that. The fuel system is finished. There's all the parts from Roscoe. There's a second line that was made. Everything, you know, fits up. I just gotta get one more fuel injector filter, and then that should be it. That's that. The axles are in. On the back. Okay, this is the back. I actually got some new stuff, some new fittings for the fuel pump.